Have you ever wondered why some objects float while others sink, or why pressure can change depending on the situation? Today, our team will explain density, pressure, and hydrostatic pressure using simple and creative experiments that demonstrate how physics exists in every life.
In this video, we will demonstrate different types of pressure and density through easy experiments that anyone can recreate at home. These experiments help us understand how physics affects the world around us.
The egg is placed in normal water. As we can see, it sinks to the bottom of the glass. This happens because the density of the egg is greater than the density of regular water. Since the egg is denser, it cannot float.
Now we are adding salt into the water and mixing it carefully to change the density of the liquid. We need to mix everything very well so the experiment can work correctly. After adding salt, the egg begins to float because salt water has a greater density than normal water. This change allows the egg to stay closer to the surface.
Density refers to the amount of mass contained in a specific volume of matter. Different materials can have different densities. When a liquid becomes denser, objects are able to float more easily inside it.
Rest in peace, little egg.
The eggs say, "I can swim now."
In this experiment, we're demonstrating pressure using different types of surface and observing how force can be changed. When a person steps using a large surface area, such as tennis shoes, the pressure becomes lower because the force is spread out, and this creates less impact on the surface.
Now we will compare the same force using a much smaller surface area, such as a high heel. With a smaller area, the pressure increases significantly and creates a deeper mark on the surface. Pressure really said, "Let me focus all my power here."
In this experiment, we made several holes in a bottle filled with water to observe hydrostatic pressure. As we can observe, the water coming from the bottom hole travels farther and with greater force. This demonstrates how pressure increases depending on the depth of the liquid.
Hydrostatic pressure is the pressure produced by a liquid due to gravity acting on it. The deeper the liquid is the greater the pressure becomes because there is more water pushing it downwards. You can say the bottom water is under emotional pressure.
In this experiment, we are observing how pressure changes depending on the area where the force is applied. When all the force is concentrated in a very small area, the pressure increases and it can pop the balloon more easily, as we can see on the example. Physics is everywhere in our everyday life, even in simple objects and activities. We hope you enjoyed our experiments and learned something new. Thank you for watching our project.